Imagine walking out into your backyard on a nice summer evening, surrounded by nature's peaceful sounds and the soft glow of carefully placed lights. Landscape deck and patio lighting, a critical component in creating a welcoming and practical outdoor space, allows for this stunning setting. You can transform your outdoor sanctuary into a dreamy fantasy with the proper landscape deck and patio lighting. In this video, we'll delve into the realm of landscape deck and patio lighting, exploring its definition, significance, benefits and drawbacks, best practices, and real-world design inspirations. Let us shed some light on creating the perfect outdoor ambience, whether you're a homeowner or a landscape designer. Landscape deck and patio lighting is the artistic placement of outdoor lighting fixtures to improve the aesthetics, functionality, and ambience of outside spaces such as decks and patios. This specialized type of lighting design seeks to highlight specific areas, enable safe navigation after dark, and create an alluring environment that extends outdoor area usability into the evening hours. Let's explore why landscape deck and patio lighting are essential components of your outdoor living space. Consider holding a pleasant nighttime gathering on your terrace, surrounded by the soft glow of strategically arranged lights. The mood and ambience of your outdoor area can be greatly influenced by landscape deck and patio lighting. With carefully chosen fixtures and thoughtfully designed layouts, you can create a warm and inviting ambience that favors relaxation, socialization, or even romantic evenings under the stars. Landscape deck and patio lighting isn't just about aesthetics, it extends the usability of your outside areas well into the night. Whether you want to host a dinner party on your deck or unwind on your patio, proper lighting ensures you can make the most of your outdoor space, regardless of the hour. Safety is paramount when it comes to outdoor spaces. Landscape deck and patio lighting not only helps prevent accidents by illuminating potential hazards, but also deters unwanted guests. When your property is well lit, it sends a clear message that you prioritize security, making it less appealing to potential intruders. With these essential aspects in mind, it's clear that landscape deck and patio lighting isn't just about adding pretty lights. It's a valuable investment in the comfort and security of your outdoor haven. Let's take a closer look at the advantages and disadvantages of landscape deck and patio lighting to help you make an informed decision. Investing in outdoor deck and patio lighting can significantly boost your property's value. Potential buyers are often attracted to homes with well-designed outside spaces, and a beautifully lit deck or patio can make a lasting impression. Landscape deck and patio lighting enhance your home's visual appeal by highlighting its architectural features, landscaping, and outdoor amenities. A well-lit exterior not only looks inviting but also adds to the overall charm of your property. The safety benefits of outdoor deck and patio lighting cannot be overstated. It reduces the risk of trips and falls by illuminating potential hazards. Well-lit outdoor spaces also deter burglars and trespassers, making your property a safer place for you and your family. With a landscape deck and patio lighting, you can make the most of your outside spaces, even after sunset. Whether you're hosting gatherings or enjoying a quiet evening, proper lighting allows you to do it comfortably and safely. Landscape deck and patio lighting allow you to express your creativity and enhance the beauty of your outdoor environment. You can use different lighting techniques and fixtures to create unique and visually appealing displays. While outdoor deck and patio lighting offer numerous benefits, the initial cost can be a significant investment. Quality fixtures, wiring, and installation can add up, making it necessary to budget accordingly. Energy usage can be an issue depending on the type of lighting used. Traditional incandescent bulbs may be less energy efficient than LED alternatives, resulting in higher electricity bills. Like any outdoor feature, landscape deck and patio lighting requires regular maintenance. Fixtures may need cleaning, bulb replacement, and wiring inspection. Neglecting maintenance can lead to malfunctions and increased costs over time. Now that you know the importance and potential drawbacks of landscape deck and patio lighting, let's explore some best practices to help you achieve outstanding results. Begin with a well-thought-out lighting plan. Consider the key areas you want to highlight, such as seating areas, pathways, architectural features, and plants. Your plan should align with your outdoor space's purpose and your desired ambience. Select fixtures that complement your outdoor style and provide the desired lighting effect. Path lights, wall sconces, string lights, and spotlights are just a few options. Opt for high-quality, weather-resistant fixtures to ensure longevity. Layered lighting involves combining different types of fixtures to create depth and ambience. Use a mix of ambient, task, accent, and decorative lighting to achieve a well-balanced and visually appealing result. The color temperature of your lighting can significantly impact the mood. Warmer tones, around 2700 K, create a cozy atmosphere, while cooler tones 4000 K and above offer a modern, crisp look. Experiment with different temperatures to find what suits your space best. Opt for energy-efficient LED lighting to reduce long-term energy costs and minimize environmental impact. LEDs are durable, long-lasting, and come in various color temperatures to meet your preferences. Let's explore some real-life landscape deck and patio lighting designs to ignite your creativity. Create a celestial atmosphere with moonlighting, a technique involving fixtures placed high in trees or on elevated surfaces to mimic the soft, natural glow of moonlight. This design choice adds a touch of magic to your outdoor haven. Highlight the majestic trees in your yard with adjustable spotlights or well lights. This technique adds a dramatic touch to your landscape, casting shadows and textures on the tree's bark. Transform your patio into an intimate dining space with the warm glow of string lights overhead. Hang them above your dining table to create an inviting atmosphere for evening meals and gatherings. In conclusion, any well-designed outdoor living space includes a landscape deck and patio lighting. By understanding the definition, importance, advantages, disadvantages, and best practices, you can embark on a journey to transform your outdoor oasis. Whether you want to create a comfy retreat, extend the usability of your outside space, or enhance security, landscape deck and patio lighting offer countless possibilities. So, embrace the art of outdoor deck and patio lighting and illuminate your outside paradise. As you explore real-life design inspirations, remember that landscape deck and patio lighting is more than just functional. It's a form of artistry that allows you to sculpt your outdoor space with light and shadow. The key to successful landscape deck and patio lighting lies in thoughtful design, quality fixtures, and proper installation. With the right approach, your outdoor space can become a beacon of warmth and hospitality, inviting you and your guests to enjoy its splendor for years to come.